Most people look back and think to themselves, where has time gone? So don't waste another minute when you could be enjoying every moment. My name's Camille Allen and this is 38 Hawkesbury Esplanade, Sylvania Waters. This home has been completely designed with one thing in mind: easy living, low maintenance luxury. And that's exactly what it is. Drenched in warm northern sunlight, this home boasts amazing size and space. But what it does really well is allows you just to sit back and relax. Apart from the fact that this home is literally surrounded by the waterways, it also offers custom underlit ceilings, gas fireplace, automatic blinds, and has easy care gardens and practical storage solutions, just to name a few. A bespoke single-level home in a blue-chip location like this rarely is released to the market. This one could be your forever home, so don't let it be the one that gets away.